I was in the middle of a park and I was on a seesaw and I was with someone that I really cared about, and I knew I shouldn't have been with anymore, but I had to be there because sometimes you just have to see it for yourself and you have to go back and keep going back until you learn. And this was one of those scenarios where I was back, but I was like hesitant. I was like, low-key, probably shouldn't be here, but also I'm young, right? I can like handle a few more mistakes. I got a few more notches under my belt, and in that moment, we both got a tornado warning on our phones. And I was like, damn, that's probably not a good sign, like physically and metaphorically, because I was like, one, we're outside in a tornado, and two, I think this means it's time to move on. So it was a big wake-up call for me, and if you're in that same point that I was right now in your life, maybe this song does something for you. It's called Tornado Warnings.
We were never in a park, talking on a seesaw, tearing our feelings in the dark, ignoring tornado warnings. Didn't hold it in his arm. We didn't stumble over the pages of our relationship.